Hello dear teachers. In this video we will see how to import grades and how to check the responses. So suppose for this 6th A class today I have conducted the unit test. So I can see in the classwork there is a first unit test, the form which was there. So if I click on that, I can come to know total 60 students turn in and 3 assigned. That means 60 students they have solved the assignment and 3 are still left to give the assignment. That means a quiz. Okay. So if I click on this 60, I can see here 60 students names also. So those who have submitted. Okay. But their grades are not yet shown. So what you can do, you can click on this import grades. So when I click on import grades and click on import, automatically the grades of the students will be displayed here. Can you see 17, 19, 14. So each student's particular student. Now these are all 6th A students. So 6th A, all students along with their name, I can see the grades here. Okay. But now we are not giving the grades to the students. So when we are giving the grades to the student, that time I will select all the students and then I will return. Now I will keep those grades in my classwork section only. This is the one way, but this option is available in laptop. Suppose if you don't have a laptop and if you are trying through mobile, so what you can do, you can check the responses of your Google form. So how you will do that? Either you can go to the classwork and you can open the form, okay, from here, or you can go to a drive. In your drive that form will be saved somewhere. Okay, so you click on that form, open the form and click on responses. When you click on responses, but here you will see the responses of all 4 divisions because the same form we are sharing for all divisions. So I can see 241 responses, and if I go down here in a summary, the score of students. Okay, so I can see here 6th A, 6C, all the students' grades are along with their grades, their email IDs are displayed over here. Okay, so what you can do, you can create a spreadsheet of this. Okay, so this is the icon to export to the spreadsheet. So create a new spreadsheet and I will create it. So spreadsheet means an Excel file will open, and in that Excel file I can see the grades of all students. So since we have given them class and division, we can see here, okay, the division and the class, and accordingly you can see the grades of students in Excel file. And how you can do, you can select this file and you can go to data and there is a filter option. So you can click on create new filter view. So you can see here filters. Okay, so some students you can either you can make a column of division separate and class separate, so you can come to know properly. Okay, and here suppose I want the 6th A grades, so I will click on 6th A and others I will keep it off. That means these students have entered wrong. Some students have entered by mistakenly 5A. Okay, so I will click on 6th A. 6 and B. And others I will keep it off. So what we can do while giving the name to the while giving the form to the student, we can mention separate 6th A and 6th D, like division separately and class separately, so you can easily filter, so this problem will not occur. and if you click on that, you can see the students of that particular class. Okay, so you can see the grades out of 20, how many grades they got. Okay, so this way you can or you can search for a particular student also. You control F. Okay, if you want to search for Savari, so you click on Savari, you will get the name and which class and how many marks she got. Okay, so you can refer this Excel file, and the same Excel file you can send to your co-teachers also.